uh, some reason Tassimo machine was leaking from morning, so I decided to post this video. Uh, yeah, there are many reasons, but basically, you can tell two reasons to fix it. Number one, uh, just open it first of all, okay? Tassimo machine, and just remove this one, okay? And if we're not starting or something's reading issue, you can see here, right? Just clean it this one, then machine will start. And some case you can see the water coming out of this side, leaking everywhere, and then you have to open this one. Okay, wait a second. Just to put some air, you can easily open it. And you can see here, and then you can just pops here. Usually, that here inside is dirty, basically. That's the main issue. This mine is worse than that, actually. Yeah, this one gonna block whole thing. Then that's the reason actually. Leaking everywhere. Okay, and you can separate this one too. Yeah, but in this case, they look pretty clean. So just one hand is very hard to do. Just put this one back, and this one. I don't know what I'm doing from morning. That's it. That's it, yeah. Just open this one. And maybe you want to put, oh, not this one. Okay, this one you have to put it back. It's just very, yeah, Tassimo is pretty reliable actually. I used about, I'm not sure, long time. And I never have this issue, but very easy to fix it. Yeah, just press down. No issue. Yeah, you can say basically it's not starting or not working. Check the barcode reader. Water is everywhere. Basically clean, this one inside. Sometimes in my case I can see, the small, copy. When you punch the copy part actually inside the small cover when inside, then that's gonna be really black. Thank you.